mas masarap pag wala, diba? Have you ever heard someone tell you this? Kasi to be honest, I had a fair share of experiences wherein napaka-uncomfortable kapag ka may suot kang lumpia wrapper. Like there would be times na parang sobrang kapal niya, parang feeling mo ang pumapasok sa'yo ay ice candy. Hoy! Ano yung ice candy? Yung ang kapal kasi niya, tapos mafe-feel mo na parang yung, yung plastic sa loob, parang ganon. Tapos syempre, yung friction, medyo uncomfortable at some point. Also, pag makapal, tops would say also na parang wala na sila maramdaman. But what if I tell you na merong lumpia wrapper na feeling mo parang wala? This is the Fair Ultima Light lumpia wrapper. So this is the thinnest lumpia wrapper in the Philippines. Sobrang nipis at 0.04 mm. And take note, this is Asian fit. So kasyang-kasya sa... Hoy! This is from Thailand and pag bumili ka, may kasama na siyang special sauce para mas madala. Hoy! So punta ka lang sa favorite mong online shopping platform, type Ultima Light Cond. Okay. And when you check, makakita pa na ibang interesting flavors and variants. May blueberry, peppermint, orange, strawberry, and marami pang iba. Ay, kung medyo adventurous ka, meron ding textured, tsaka meron